Lesson 8, Introduction to Python Programming. Python is a high-level, interpreted, general-purpose programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It is used for web development, server-side, software development, mathematics, and system scripting. It has advantages of both scripting and programming languages. It is very useful for rapid application development. Nowadays, Python is gaining more attention as it's great for data analysis, artificial intelligence, and scientific computing. It does not need a compiler to run the application. It's basically an interpreter language. Features of Python. Python provides many useful features which make it popular and valuable from the other programming languages. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python can run equally on different platforms such as Windows, Linux, Unix, and Macintosh, etc. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. Starting Python. There are two different ways to start Python: interactive mode, script mode. Interactive mode. Interactive mode is a command line shell which gives immediate result for each statement while running previously typed statements in active memory. Interactive mode of working means you type the command one command at a time and the Python executes the given command there and then gives you output in interactive mode. We type the command in front of Python command prompt. Opening interactive mode. To open Python interactive mode, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click Start button. Step 2. Click Python 3.10 folder. Step 3. Click IDLE Python 3.10 64-bit. Idle Shell 3.10.2 opens up, where you will see the Python prompt. In interactive mode, we can type commands in front of it, and as soon as we enter a command, Python will execute it and display result. Script mode. Script mode in Python is where we first write the Python program inside a script file and execute it after that. We can execute the script of code either using the command prompt or using Python idle installed in our system. In the script mode, we can view the code anytime that we have written inside the file, and we can modify it before executing it next time. That's why editing our Python code becomes quite easy in script mode, and we can edit or view the code as many times as we want. We can write long pieces of code with script mode, and that's why many expert programmers prefer it over the interactive mode of execution. The Python file we create using the script mode is usually saved by default inside the folder where our Python idle is installed, and it is saved with the Python file .py extension. Opening script mode. To open script mode, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open idle in interactive mode. Step 2. Click File, New File. A new blank window appears. This window contains the various menus. Each menu contains a number of options for performing various operations. Menu, Operations. File. It contains options like New, Open, Save, and print the files. Edit. It contains options to edit the content of file. Format. It contains options like indent, dedent, comment out, uncomment. Run. It contains run module of the program. Options. It contains commands for viewing and changing various default settings. Window. It contains commands for window management. Help. It is used to obtain help on any particular